guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have got something really exciting to show you guys. This you do not want to miss. The postman has just delivered the new upgraded AliExpress silicone practice hand. So it comes in this box. How to use acrylic glue to stick the nails, how to use acetone to remove nails. Wait until you see this hand, guys. This hand is absolutely beautiful. AliExpress have done amazing. So inside the box you get some free tips. I don't use these tips, they're a bit too curved for my liking. You get the clamp, and this clamp is really stiff. It's a really good quality clamp. I'll show you how I clamp it down in a second. Who's ready to see this? You are going to be so shocked. Right, let me get her out. So she comes in this beautiful little bag. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the detail. And the colour, it's a really nice colour. Look at all the makeup on the hand. It's so realistic. Look at the detail on the knuckles. She's so pretty. Let me try and show you like that so you can see the whole hand. Look at that. So I bought the second upgraded hand, what they brought out, which was this one. Now I actually really liked this hand. In fact, I still do like this hand, to be honest. The only downside to this one was the lack of detail. Can you see, like, the knuckles, there's no wrinkles in the knuckles. Like these knuckles was okay, but yeah, it was just the lack of detail. But look at them side by side. The detail is amazing. Can you believe that? They have done an absolutely amazing job. So it is posable, which means you can bend the fingers and they will stay. You can pose her and the fingers will stay posed. Oh my god, she is so beautiful, guys. I am absolutely buzzing with her. I really am. Can't get over how good that detail is. Look at the thumb. And the palm. You can even see the paws, look. That detail is just amazing, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. I can't wait to work on her now and see what she's like to work on. So I'm pretty sure that'll be in one of my upcoming videos. This one is colour number 3. I think they do 6 shades, I think. Don't hold me to that, but I think they do. Now, you wait until you hear the price of this, guys. It's unbelievable. So, right now, this hand is available to buy. I don't know, did I tell you already? I can't remember if I told you. So, it's on AliExpress. And at the minute, it's on sale for £28.23, guys. But you can even get it cheaper than that, because the store has got a coupon at the minute for £1.69 off. So that means you can get this hand for £26.54. £26.54 for posable, realistic silicone practice hand with makeup. Can you believe that? That is an absolute bargain. I'm going to leave the link to this in my description box below, guys. I would advise you to use the link in my description box because there's so many different listings on AliExpress and they're all using the same pictures, and 9 times out of 10, when it turns up, it's not the hand what you think you're going to be getting. Where you order through the link in my description box and you are going to get this hand. So yeah, I shall leave the link in my description box. I shall pin it in my comments as well, just to make it easier to find. But I don't want to just pin it in my comments, guys, because I don't know whether you've noticed, but YouTube keep turning my comments off, which is really peeing me off right now. But there's nothing I can do about it, so just have to grin and bear it. Right, let me show you how I attach the clamp. All I've got is a tile from the local tile shop. So you pull this plastic bit off there. Stick that down there like that, and then just push that forward like that. And then the ball on the end of the hand, put that on there like that, slot the ball in, screw that on. So if you leave that a little bit loose, you can twist this hand in all. Right, let me try and make a little bit of room on here, guys. So there we go, that's a bit better. So yeah, don't tighten it all the way, leave it a little bit loose, and you can turn this hand all the way around. So you can have it in any position that you want. I really like these clamps. And then once you've got it in the position that you want to, just tighten it up. There we go. That is ready to work on. So let's get some tips in there, shall we? See what tips fit in her. Right, guys, so these are the extra long coffin tips. And the sizes that I've used are 1, 7, 3, 4 and 9. And look how far they go in as well. They go in all the way up to there. The cuticles are lovely and thick as well. You see how thick the cuticles are? Let me try and show you. You see how thick they are? They're really nice and thick. Yeah, really, really happy with that. So they're the extra long coffin. You haven't got to have them in that far. And these wells are so stiff. Like, this is going to be great to do filing on because they really are stuck in well there. Can you see that? So hard to get that out. So yeah, it depends how long or short you want the set, but that's usually the length that I have them. I just can't get over that detail, guys. These ones are the stiletto tips, what I buy from Amazon. This is size number 8. Again, you can have that short, or you can have it really long. So that's the stilettos from Amazon. You'll find all the links to the tips what I use in my description box as well, guys, if anyone's interested in the tips what I use. And then these are the tips what I got from Aleana Hand, and I use these to act as a natural nail bed. And then what I'll do is I shall glue my tips on and then build my nail with whatever I'm using. So there we are, guys. That is my new practice hand. What do you think? Do you think she's pretty? I think she's so pretty. I just can't get over the detail. The makeup just makes her look so realistic, doesn't it? I really like the colour as well. It's a beautiful colour. Yeah, I really like her. And at that price, you just can't go wrong, can you? Like, a lot of these realistic silicone practice hands, like for a really well-known brand, they're so expensive, especially for people that's just starting out. People can't afford like nearly £200 for a hand. So for 27 quid, I really don't think you can go wrong. But like I say, guys, that is the sale price. I don't know how long it's going to be on sale for that price for, but I do know it is going to be going up to £44. So if you are planning on buying one, I should get your order in as soon as possible before you miss out on that fantastic price. Even at £44, I really don't think that is a bad price. In fact, I think it's an amazing price for the quality. So yeah, that's everything for today's video, guys. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to this in my description box below. So if you want to head over and check it out, you can do. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.